With 1 billion new users expected online by 2017, there's a huge opportunity to grow your business. Most of these users will be in emerging markets, so you should consider how they may differ from your current audience. Here are 10 tips to help you get ready. Speak your user's language in your app and on the Play Store. Make sure your users understand your content by localizing your app. First, dates and times should be internationalized and displayed according to their phone settings. For many markets, numeracy is higher than literacy. Use fewer words and provide graphical cues with audio and voice support. Keep interactions simple. Avoid scrolling menus and use tappable, browsable interfaces. For example, autocomplete and curated lists can be better than searching and filtering. Design your app for different languages, allowing for different sentence lengths and structures. The app translation service available from the developer console can help. And remember to test everything with native speakers. Deliver the right content and features. Research new markets thoroughly and build features on local trends and preferences. For instance, think mobile first. Don't rely on familiarity with email and web passwords. Offer phone number-based registration. Multi-SIM phones are also popular, which you can detect since Android 5.1 in order to, for example, adapt your app's data usage by SIM. Allow for slow and intermittent data connections. Many users will not have access to reliable data connections. It's important to adapt your app to use less data and, if possible, to also work offline. Try to separate UI from network activities so users can pre-cache content over Wi-Fi. Optimize all images and consider using WebP. It's smaller in file size than alternatives for the same image quality. You can also give users control over when and what connection they use, particularly for large downloads or syncing. Accommodate low-end devices and smaller screens. In emerging markets, many devices tend to have small screens, so make sure you optimize your UI by testing on multiple screen sizes. You should also adapt your app to low-end devices, which may have low memory, low processing power, and low resolution. Ensure your apps will run on older versions of Android. To reach the next 1 billion users in emerging markets, consider backward compatibility to Jelly Bean, and where practical, back to Ice Cream Sandwich. Optimize for less phone memory and shorter battery life. Your user's phone may have 512 megabytes of internal memory or less, so apps need to be efficient with memory usage. Also, disk space is lower than developed markets, so keep your APK size under 10 megabytes. Optimize the contents of your APK by using highly targeted images, mobile-optimized libraries, remove redundant content, and enable ProGuard to out unused code. Also, make sure your app can run from SD card storage. Consume only the data you need to. In most emerging markets, users will pay for data as they use it. Your app's initial download, each update, and foreground and background data all add cost. Balance the benefits of an update with the cost to your user of installing it. Consider less frequent releases, and balance the cost of installing an update with the benefits to your user. Avoid background services where possible. Reflect local buying habits and cycles. Localize your prices and remember a simple exchange rate conversion may not be right. A good onboarding flow is vital to ensure maximum buyer conversion. Provide app and subscription trials so the user can try before they buy. And when planning promotions, understand local buying cycles. Link promotional activity with holidays, events, and monthly data plan refresh dates. Grow your audience with app promotion. When you're ready to launch, app install ads can help you grow an audience. And universal app campaigns that you set up straight from the developer console make it easy. Your campaign is automatically optimized to meet your CPA targets by finding the right balance on Google Search, Google Play, Google Display Network, and YouTube. Research the best local marketing channels you can promote your app on, and leverage YouTube and other popular social media sites in target countries. Also, try app invites, a smart way to grow your audience by letting existing users invite their Google contacts via email and SMS. Engage and support your users locally. Don't leave your users to work things out for themselves. Start by reading and responding to app reviews. Then go local by creating user groups for countries or languages through social media channels. Build a core of power users and encourage them with involvement in beta tests and update plans. And look for ways to help them share their findings by offering them access to your support team or developers. For more information on building your app for success in emerging markets, read our checklist in the Distribute section of the Android Developer website. If you want more tips on how to grow your app or game business, check out the other videos in this series and download the Secrets to App Success on Google Play.